Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change Facebook password. And here's how it is done. To change your Facebook password, start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Next, go to Account Center and select Password and Security. Under the Login section, you will find the option to change password. Tap on it, then enter your current password followed by your new password twice to confirm. Be sure to create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have entered your new password, tap Save Changes. Facebook will then send a verification code to your email. Enter the code, click Continue, and you are all set. Your Facebook password has been successfully changed. And that is everything you need to know about how to change Facebook password. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.